To download the TCO tool, open a web browser and go to google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Gmail account and then click on the box near the top right of your screen made up of 9 smaller boxes. Click on Google Drive. Once you're in Google Drive, go to the left side of your screen and click the Shared with Me button. Find the VIP Color Reseller resource and double-click it. Navigate to the VP700 folder, then Sales, then Cost Estimators. Right-click on the TCO tool download, and then click the Download button. Once the file is downloaded, right-click on the file and click Show in Folder. Right-click on the file and then cut or copy it and move it to somewhere where you can find it later. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'll move it to my desktop. Right-click on the TCO Estimator folder and click Extract All. Choose a directory and then click Extract. Open the TCO Estimator HTML file. Google Chrome is recommended, but other browsers can also be used. On the first page, enter the label printing requirements. First, enter the number of labels per day. Next, enter the width and length of the label. If your customer has multiple label sizes, enter the average label size. Enter the % ink coverage. The picture below will help you determine the value. Choose the number of years the printer will be used. The default is 3 years. Next, select the print mode, continuous, or print and hold. Then, select the print quality. Enter the media cost per label. The default is 2 cents per blank label. You can also change the price of the VP700, ink, and printhead to match your end user pricing. Once you are done, click Next. Page 2 contains advanced settings. To leave everything as default, just scroll to the bottom and click Next. Default prices are based on VIP Color's recommended end user pricing. On this page, you can add annual service contract cost and annual spare parts cost. You can also change the price of the service station, output module, air filter, ink absorber, and cutter assembly to match your end user pricing. When you're done, click Next. Page 3 shows the cost per label estimates. The first calculation is the price of ink. The second is the price per label excluding media cost. It includes the price of ink, the printer, and consumables. The third calculation includes everything from the second, as well as the media cost per blank label. Please share only the calculated estimations. Do not share the TCO estimator or screenshots of the estimator. Based on a specific application, there may be factors this estimator does not calculate. Make sure to explain that this is an estimate and application-specific variables should be considered. Any questions? Contact marketing@vipcolor.com.